What's up guys, we back again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this little SUV Kia. We're going to be doing some bumper repair, fixing a few dents, scratches. We're going to repaint and install, and then we'll give it a cut and buff at the end. Let's check out the ride. Little Kia SUV. Got some scratches there. We got some rock chips throughout the front of the hood, which is common, especially freeway driving. A few dents here. We're going to take care of this, get this sanded down, and then the major part, we got this hole in this bumper here, and right on top. We're gonna sand this down, fill it in, make it look back original. This one I'm gonna have to put some fiberglass in the back to reinforce it, and then I can go ahead and get my angles and all that on there, fill it in. But this is what we're gonna be working with this weekend. We need to remove the front bumper, and then we'll need to take off the hood. I'm gonna take the hood off last. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. I'm gonna wet sand the whole hood, start filling in all the scratches, all the rock chips, some small putty filler on those dents, and start going from there. Alright, we got the bumper removed. 3 small plastic screws on this side. Same for this side. 3 of them at the bottom. They get cut in here. Alright, we got the grill patched up with 2 layers of fiberglass. This thing is pretty hard now. We're starting to sand this down. I'm going to sand it some more, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a small little layer of kitty hair. It's got a Bondo and fiberglass resin strands in it, so it's going to reinforce this real good. Then I'm going to go ahead and keep wet sanding this whole thing down, take the shine off of it, and then I'll start Alright guys, we got the 4 pieces, the grill inserts and the pillars from the outside painted jet black. Here's the grill insert part of the bumper. Clear coat, first coat. And here's I did a test panel. I always do these to spray out of the color I'll be painting. Right before I go paint the bumper, I'll just go over there and put it up next to the car in the sunlight just to see what it looks like. Alright, we got first coat on the bumper. Looking good. Saddle brown. Kill Soul. I'm gonna hit it with 3 coats total, and then hit it with 3 coats of clear. First coat, I'm gonna let it flash off, and then hit it with another 2 more coats, flash off between. Then I'll hit it with the clear, and we'll go from there. And she should be ready to install. I got all the other parts already painted. Everything that goes here, the grill, the center part, everything's been painted. It's drying now. And tomorrow, I'm gonna get working on the hood. All right guys, we got the hood primed up and the dents it had. I'm gonna wet sand it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Take it to the back, shoot some color on it, clear, and it should be ready to install tomorrow and cut and buff.